I'm back. I'm here to bring you an unboxing today. I got a package from Nike and I am very excited. So with further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So I picked up a couple things from Nike and I'm expecting a couple packages, but I believe I know what this one is. Okay. Yes. What we have here. So we have this white box. Y'all already know it is the women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SC. Official colorway is white, black, and Lightbulb. Let's get to this box. What do we have? So we have the 23 tissue paper. Okay, Jordan brand. 7 it up for the ladies. First thing I noticed is these laces. Okay, Jordan. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab both sneakers and get the box out the way. Okay. Official look. Both sneakers. Let's go ahead and put that one to the side. So, starting out, man, let me say thank you to everyone who slept on this release, okay? I wasn't sure if it was going to be an easy cop, with it being the summertime. Vibrant colors is something that is very popular, obviously, in the hotter months. And the last few women's releases, everyone has been going after. So when I got to the cart and checked out in a matter of seconds, pretty excited. Get back to this review. So we have 2 lace bags. One is with white laces and the other is going to be with purple and yellow laces. That's awesome. I love it. Let's start with the black outer sole. Okay. Then we're going to move to the midsole, which is white, which gives it a nice flavor to it, just to match the toe box, which the leather on the toe box seems to be pretty durable, pretty nice. The toe tab, I'm loving it. It has the green color, which is actually a suede. Then we can move up to the midsection, which has a little bit of nubuck in it, which is purple. You have the blue patent leather. Then we have some more purple nubuck, which also has the Jordan brand embedded in the ankle tab, which is pretty nice. And then we have the swoosh, which is patent leather, black patent leather. And then you have a detail of this red stitching, which is pretty nice as well. And then moving back to the heel tab, you have that yellow hairy suede, which is nice. I think that's a nice touch to this shoe. Then you can move up and you see more nubuck up here, which is orange nubuck. In the inside you have white Jumpman, pretty hard to see. The tongue has quite a bit of detail to it as well. And at the top it has the Jordan tab with Air underneath it in white. The Jordan in Air is in white. What I actually plan to do with these is switch out the black laces for the white ones, and I'm actually going to let you see an on-foot look of that. So here we go.